Hi everyone, welcome back to METV. So I have often said that YouTube is a world of education and it's right at our fingertips. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world? It is second only to Google. Okay, so why is it so big? Why is it such a big deal? Because of the content, video content, educational content, and even even written content. And I'll go over that in a minute. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of YouTube. Now, disclaimer, YouTube, just like any other social media platform, looks different depending on what device you're using. All right, you guys. So when you have a YouTube channel, you come up with a name, and here's mine, METV, the channel. Do you guys know what METV stands for? Well, it's so funny because what it stands for is, yeah, you have to head on over to my Facebook page to see what it is. Or you can try to guess down below. Now, one of the things that you can do anytime that you watch a video that you enjoy is give it a thumbs up. So if you scroll down just below the video, this little thumbs up is the like button. You guys, to a YouTuber, this is the equivalent of giving someone a pat on the back. But more so than that, it really, really helps us with our reach in our channel. So whenever you watch any video, please try to remember to give it a like. In fact, you can go ahead and give this one a like right now. So then in that same bar, you're going to see the name of the video. All right. So a lot of times we name our videos so that it's a catchy title, but at the same time using keywords that people might use to search for this topic, right? So in this case, this video is called Great Tool to Communicate with Your Team and Customers, Slide Broadcast Tutorial. So in this video, I gave everyone a tutorial on using Slide Broadcast. By the way, if you have not seen this video, I'll try to remember to link it down below in the description bar. This video is really cool. This video is a tool that I use all the time, and it's really been a huge lifesaver. Okay, then the next thing you can do is share. Okay, so if you really like the video, you want to share this video. So if you have a Pinterest board and you click on the Pinterest icon, it's going to take you to your Pinterest account. Okay, then you just pick which board you want to attach it to. So if you have a board called Direct Sales, you can add it there. You can also add it to your LinkedIn, Twitter. By the way, you guys, follow me on Twitter, and Facebook, and all these other social media outlets. You can even attach it to an email and send it to your team. Pretty cool, right? Now, you can also just copy the link. So here's the link right here. You can copy it, and then you can head on over to your text or maybe even Facebook and add it to a post or add it to a group that you're in. All right, so the next thing, if you go down just a little bit more, is you're going to see the name of the channel. In this case, it's METV, the channel, and then you're going to see when the video was posted. A lot of times you'll hear us say, you'll find the link in the description bar down below. All right, well, this is the description bar right here. And this is what I meant by having video content to learn from and also written content. You guys, by the way, let's not forget audio content. So I could listen to podcasts, and I have listened to podcasts, and I enjoy listening to podcasts. But lately, because I have found some super cool channels that I'm going to share with you in an upcoming video so that you can love them too and subscribe to them too and learn as much as I have, I've been listening to YouTube in the car. This right here is the description bar. Almost always in my videos, you're going to find a description of what was in the video. Maybe an abridged version, maybe some personal commentary from me. Okay, then you're going to find links. If I mention a link in the video, you're going to find a link. So in this video, this live broadcast video, if you were to sign up using Slide Broadcast, and you guys, you should, like, just try it out. It is literally, you can start for $10 for 100 phone calls. Hello. And if you use my referral link or my referral code, you get an extra 100 phone calls. That's 200 phone calls for $10. So when I say in that video, you can find my referral code down below, here it is. So you scroll down and this is where you find that type of information. All right, then I have a link to a few of my latest videos or playlists because I want you guys to have more content easily available to you. Then I always include other ways that we can connect. Our Pink Dream Team for Direct Sellers Facebook group, my other channel, my Facebook page. You can find me on Twitter. I love Twitter, you guys. Wait for a new Twitter video coming soon. And Instagram. I'm probably on Instagram the most out of all of these. And Instagram for me is a little bit of business and a little bit of personal. Okay, so there you go. And that's the description bar. And it's really, really powerful. A lot of times companies will include like a link to a free download that can help you, like maybe 29 places to find leads. That exists out there. So yeah, you want to make sure that you scroll down to the description bar and see what's going on in there that maybe wasn't mentioned in the video. Okay, then when you scroll down a little more, that's when you come to the comments section and you can add a comment. You guys, we encourage you to add a comment. We want to know that you're out there. There is so much to networking online. It's about building relationships. So many times we wonder why our direct sale business isn't doing well. Well, I usually counter that with, well, how much actual interactions do you do in a day? And I'm not talking about obnoxiously posting your company name and your link and saying, like my page, or buy from me, or here's a sale. No, I'm talking about taking the time to really have a conversation with someone about, in this case, about what they posted or what it meant for you. Like in this case, Ashley, she wrote, thank you so much for creating this video. I've been looking for something like this for a while. I'm in direct sales and I love it, but I really have bad anxiety on the phone and leaving messages. This will really help me reach my goals and making calls that I need on a daily basis. Like, that keeps me going. That gives me right there all the motivation I need to keep making content, because it tells me that it's not falling on deaf ears. This isn't just for my library. I already know all this stuff. Somebody out there is enjoying it. Somebody out there is learning from it. Somebody out there is benefiting from it. And that makes my heart happy. That's why I do what I do. So comment about the video, or comment about yourself, or ask questions, or comment about a video that you'd like the content creator to make for you. Believe me, YouTubers are always looking for ideas for content. They want to customize their videos to their audience. If you're watching this, you're probably either in a small business or in direct sales. So what if we just typed in direct sales training? Look at this. Direct sale training, direct sale courses. What if you need help with warm chattering? Look at that, warm chattering technique. What if you need some ideas for leads? Hello. It's all out there, you guys. All out there. What if you're sitting at home and you're like, I have no idea. This girl Myra is having a giveaway. She said comment down below, and I don't know what down below means. How to comment on YouTube videos. Look at that right there. I mean, you guys, 2019, how to comment on videos. Make sure, like I said, subscribe. See, I'm even requesting for you guys to subscribe. That was perfect timing. Subscribe by coming down. This is my view. On your view, there would be a subscribe button. In fact, here's my little girl's channel. If you feel like being supportive, head on over to her channel. She doesn't post a whole heck of a lot, but she wants to do what mommy does, and I encourage that. So this is her channel. Her name is Jordan D. Cook. That's the name of her channel. But let me just show you. So this is her channel. If I was to go here, this is her videos, right? I'm going to click on one of her videos. So this right here says I'm subscribed, right? So I'm going to unsubscribe just so you can see what it would look like. So this is what it looks like when you scroll down. You click the subscribe button, right? And now you're subscribed. You always want to click the little bell next to the subscribe button. Why? Because YouTube, like everything else, is constantly changing its algorithms. So just because you're subscribed to someone's channel doesn't mean you'll even see when they've posted a video. So the bell notification lets you know that somebody has posted a video. All right, you guys, so that was really a basic tour of YouTube. And I really hope it was helpful. I do think it will be, at least for some of you, based on how many questions I get on how to navigate YouTube itself. So I hope you enjoyed it. You guys, I'm so excited to be spending February with you. All right, you guys, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.